Oh hey, this is Trav. With all the hype lately with the coronavirus and people heading to the grocery store, Sam's Club and Costco to load up on toilet paper, I thought I'd make an episode. Because in all reality, when it comes to survival, toilet paper is about the least of your concerns. I've lived in a couple of different countries outside of the US, so I thought I would share with you some of my expertise on this subject. First and foremost, good old newspaper. Who doesn't have some of this laying around? All you have to do is wrinkle it up to soften it or use it as is. And you don't want to flush this down the toilet. It's okay to put it out in the wastebasket. How about a paper bag? Could be one from the grocery store or paper bags you put your kids' lunches in. Not a bad backup plan. How about your state or province's local fishing regulations? This is about the next best thing to toilet paper. And it comes in individual single-use sheets. Maybe you recently received a gift from a loved one, like I did. And inside, there's a handy piece of tissue paper. Let me tell you, that might even be better than the original TP.
Here's a bunch of socks that don't have a match. They're sitting around in your laundry room. In time of need, it wouldn't be unreasonable to use one of these in the bathroom, and you could simply wash it and, well, be ready for round two.
Everybody has a t-shirt or two laying around. This is a great idea for the backup plan. You can tear this up into pieces, making rags, or how about simply a good old washcloth? This might come in very, very handy. So there's a plant that's commonly found in Canada and in the United States called mullein. Beneath the seed head and the long stalk is a basal rosette of very soft leaves. Mullein is also called Indian or Boy Scout toilet paper. And there's a reason for this. Those leaves are soft enough that when in time of need, they can come in mighty handy when it's time to hunker down. And don't forget the toilet paper roll itself. Oh no, I've run out. It's okay. Simply peel this open, and you got a couple of good squares right there. May not be the softest thing, but in a pinch, you get my meaning. And folks, listen, above all, in times of need, don't forget to get creative. All of us have a computer printer with some 8.5 by 11 paper. It may look very unfriendly, but I assure you with a little attention to detail, wrinkling it up nice and soft, it becomes your best friend.